Hey guys, good morning. Dave Santarelli here from Santarelli Trading Exchange, BreakingChartAlerts.com, and Stock Options Trading Academy. Alrighty guys, first things first, yesterday in the afternoon we got another Facebook trade. That one's starting to take off here again. 184.39 here, up 1.16%. I'm going to look for 185, 190 target on Facebook. We picked up the May 15th 185 call. Should have some nice gains on that today. PayPal's looking great. Look at that continue to run there, getting up to near 116.61% here. 2 minutes until opening bell. Take a look at Microsoft. That's another one that we made yesterday, as you guys can see in the bottom there. Microsoft bouncing off that 10 SMA really well. 174.50 up 0.56%, 0.98 cents for the day already. It's looking good. Unemployment numbers came in. We're at what, 4.4 million, I think. 4.4 million compared to 4.2 million that was expected, so right in line. We've also lost all the jobs since our great recession that we had back in 2008. Facebook's still on the climb there. USO's getting a pop today. Exxonmobil's still climbing on that daily chart as well. If you guys remember us talking about it the other day when she was bouncing off that blue 20 SMA, still looking good. Looking for $45 target on Exxonmobil. We already took that out though. We locked in our profits on Exxonmobil. Take a look at USO. USO's getting a climb up over 7% today. 269 up 18 cents a share. Looking forward to consolidate here and continue that rise off of 250 a share. I'm going to be looking at that as well. Like I said, I'm going to be looking to add to that if I see that crude has stabilized here. So that's Walmart. Take a look at Walmart quick. 3-month daily. If you guys could see, we're still in consolidation box on Walmart. It's coming down to that 10 SMA right now. First candle below that 10, that's when I'd be out of that Walmart trade. For right now, it's still in the consolidation box. Look for a break above 133 for that next big breakout on Walmart. Good morning, Ronald, Vince, Efrain, Skyjack, Andrew Richardson, Vincenzo. Alrighty, guys, here we go. Opening bell. Gilead trades up really nice here. We actually did a spread yesterday on Gilead. It's breaking 82. I'm gonna look to sell that contract there. We have a vertical spread on that. I'll put in an order, and we'll wait a little bit here. Still looking good. Still on the climb. Let's see, option chains. We'll sell that Gilead trade. We made a small Gilead trade yesterday in the afternoon pro trader session. So if we take a look, we have the Gilead April 24th 81.82 spread. So let's go here, buy to close, sell to close. We have how many contracts? 25. Call. Let's see, buy to close the 82, sell to close the 81. That is looking good. Net credit. Let's see if we could get 0.90. I didn't think we'd get 0.90 just yet. Let's see, order status, it's still live. Let me change that quick. Want to lock in these profits. 82.17, she's soaring here. That should be a nice climb today. I shouldn't even close that. I should let that go for max net gains. I'll put it at 90 cents. You know, that'll be close to 100% return on that trade. Alrighty, so we have that one. That's live. Let's take a look now. What else do we want to do here? Let's see. Facebook's up $500. Facebook's in the green. Facebook's up $600. There goes Facebook. Take a look at Facebook here. USO is up nicely today. Up 11% on our USO trade. Facebook 184.12. Pulling back, retracing there a little bit. Let's see what else we have. Microsoft flat today. Let's see what else. USO, Walmart. What's that? Gold. Our gold trade. Oh yeah, look at our gold trade from yesterday. That's up 100%. Take a look, guys. We picked up gold yesterday. GOLD. That's taken off really nicely today. That's probably still going to climb. Look at that breakout on gold. We have this gold contract right here. We paid 32 cents for it. It's now worth 55. I'll put an order for 55 to sell that. We're up 70% on the gold trade. That's still climbing, still breaking out there. Let's see. I'll sell at 52 cents. I'm not going to do it at 52. Let's see if I could get 55. I think that just sold. That did just sell 55 cents. We just sold that, locked in the profit on that. We have our Gilead trade in. Let me see what Gild's doing. Gild's at, wow, 82.75. Gild is taking off, guys. Hurry up, take a look at Gild. Remember all that unusual option activity we saw yesterday coming in Gild? I announced it on the afternoon session there. Look at down here, as you can see, there's still option alerts coming in for the 80 strike calls. Yesterday, there was a lot of activity coming in on Gild. Still a lot coming in there, so keep an eye on Gilead. We're going to have nice profits on our Gild trade here. Gold still climbing, still breaking out there. I just locked in about a 70% gain on gold. Yeah, guys, hit that like button for us, please. There goes gold, continuing to run, 27.31, continuing that climb. Are you guys still in that gold trade? Facebook's taking off huge here. Guys, take a look at Facebook. Big breakout, 186.17, continuing to run. We're now up 15% on our Facebook trade that we made yesterday in the afternoon trading session. Big gains here, guys. Big climbs. Let's see, USO still up $200. Our Microsoft trade's now taking off. Microsoft, let's take a look at Microsoft. We have the Microsoft April 24th. We're now up 30% on our Microsoft trade here. Microsoft's continuing to run, continuing to break out. Let's take a look at the today 1 minute chart. As you can see, it retraced right back down to that 10 SMA at the 932 candle, and it's breaking off and continuing to climb. There goes tech with it. Facebook, Microsoft, everything's looking great here, guys. Gilead's nearing $83 a share. We're gonna have max net gains on our Gilead spread. We bought the Gilead. Hold on here, guys. Wow, Facebook trades now up 17%, up $1,300 today. Big climbs today, and that's what I like seeing. Nice job today, guys. Gilead trades soaring. Nice profits on Gilead. Microsoft, we're up about 30% on Microsoft. That's for the April 24th Expo. So I'm going to sell to close our Microsoft trade here, 3.2. Sell to close. I'm going to sell 3.23. Let's see. It only lets you go by 5-cent increments. I hate that. Already put in the order for Microsoft there. That's 315 by 320. We have an order in for 320. Let's see what that's doing. Order status here, live. That one's live as well, along with the other one there. 315. There goes Facebook. Microsoft 327. Let's see. There we go. Microsoft just sold, guys. We just locked in our profit on Microsoft. We just sold Microsoft 3.20. Wow, guys, what a climb on Gilead. So that's just completed there. We just locked in our profits there. Now let's see, what's our next victim here? I think I'm going to lock in profits on Facebook here as well. All right, I just sold Facebook, 10.05. Gilead's going to have a big profit here. That's showing that I'm only up $100 on the E-Trade account here, but I know I'm up much more than that. Look at Facebook starting to run here. Another big run on Facebook. I might get something for tomorrow's expo on Facebook. Let's see here. Facebook, I think that's going to get to 190 really quick. I'm going to get into some calls for April 24th Expo. 187.50. That's pretty expensive. 215. $10 contracts. Alrighty, let's see. We are in Facebook. I just picked up 10 contracts for 206. $2,000 trade for tomorrow's expo. I'll continue to watch that as the morning breaks out here. Let's take a look at Microsoft. Microsoft pulling down to that 10. Snapchat's not doing too much yet. Guys, Gilead just broke out huge here once again. This Gilead trade should be executing soon. 98 cents 75. That should be filling soon. We're well above max gains. And you guys saw, we jumped into this yesterday because we saw all that activity coming in Gilead down here. There's still more coming in, as you can see. May 1st, 90 strike call sweeps coming in. Keep an eye on that, guys. Gilead's still on the climb, 83.13. Avilio Rodriguez says, look at gold. Let's see, GOLD. That one's having a nice breakout still, 27.36. What's going on? That's for tomorrow. That's a day trade.
Okay, so just posted in the chat.
All the other alerts got sent out? Perfect. News coming on Gild. Yeah, Gilead's still rocketing higher, 83.09. Facebook's pulling back down to that 10 right now. Let's see if she could get a bounce off of that and continue up to that 190. There she goes. She's climbing off that 10 right now. Let's see if that continues. Same thing with gold, climbing off that 10-day SMA on a today 1-minute chart. Gilead 83.112, 83.14, 83.20. Gild is climbing, soaring higher here. Gilead 83.20. Let's see what else is going on. Ulta's climbing off that 10 really well. Let's see. Qualcomm's looking great there. I think we're going to continue to see the markets climb here, guys. Let's take a look at the Diamond ETF. Facebook's getting a little pop there. Gilead, I'd love to see. Gilead 83.40, 83.45. Nice climb on Gilead. Nvidia doing well, says Colin Contracting. Joshua Bryan, he's up 200% on his gold trade. You got in that gold trade with us, guys. We had nice gains on gold. Good job. Love seeing all you guys comment here on the live chat here that you got the gold trade with us. Up 100%, says Chris. Joshua Bryan says he's up 200% on our gold trade. Looking good, guys. Congratulations. Great job there. Look at gold continuing to run, 27.52 and climbing. Looking good. I want to see Facebook start to run here off that 10. 186, still holding that. There goes gold again. Ulta, take a look at Ulta here. ULTA. I'm looking at that at the other chart over here. Take a look at the 3-month daily. 3-month daily, it's holding that 10 pretty well. Smaller candles, but still holding up. A break above 225, and that's going to have a big breakout, possibly up to 275. There goes gold again, continuing to climb. Gilead 83.28. USO is still continuing to climb, up 15% for the day. Gold 27.65. Want to see Facebook continue to run here. 185.75 on Facebook. I think we should see 190 tomorrow on Facebook. Yeah, there's a lot of room to run into earnings on tech. Tech is looking great. Look at gold continuing to run. 27.71 on gold, continuing to run higher. 27.72. Qualcomm's looking great here as well. Let me pull up Qualcomm, and then Guys, go over the daily newsletter here. We had some upgrades and downgrades today. Our upgrades were Chipotle Mexican Grill. Let's take a look at CMG. Chipotle had an upgrade today. It's up 1.58%. If we take a look at the 3-month daily, it's going to have some resistance right around 940-ish. So not too optimistic there about CMG. I mean, it looks good, but not one that I like to jump into personally. Let's see, Gap GPS was upgraded. I don't like clothing stores right now, so I'm not going to be doing anything with that. It's also in BDM, so even though it was upgraded, not something I'm interested in. LVS, Las Vegas Sands. If you guys take a look at that, it was upgraded by JP Morgan from neutral to overweight with a price target of 52. So let's see here, LVS. So if you take a look at LVS, it was upgraded to $52 a share. It's near the lows of the day. Had a nice pop this morning on that upgrade, but it's further retracing from those highs this morning. So I'm not going to be doing anything with LVS. I don't think people are going to be jumping into the casinos once lockdown's over. Andrew Richardson's up 110% on Visa. Great job. Yes, Avilio, you could sell gold, or you could wait a little bit longer, but I sold my gold. USO is still continuing to climb there, looking good. Facebook's retracing a little bit, 185.45. Another one, Seagate Tech, STX, upgraded from hold to buy, price target is 64. Let's take a look at STX. STX below that 20, 50 SMA on a daily chart here. Even though that was upgraded, don't care, don't like it. $64, they upgraded it to, which is going to be like back to highs. I don't think that's going there anytime soon. Here's that cross on the MACD coming. So I'd wait until you got to climb above 51. If you wanted to put an alert on your platform for STX above $51 a share, you could do that. JP Morgan Chase option alert, May 15th, 90 strike call sweeps coming in. Delta's got some put sweeps. Micron's got some call sweeps coming in. As you can see, Tech's getting some call sweeps coming in and looking good there. Okay, so that's STX. Let's take a look at Darden Restaurants. It was upgraded from $46 to $72. From an underperform to market perform by BMO Capital Markets. So let's take a look at DRI. $67.19. I mean, $72 target. I mean, that's literally right where it's at. Now, once we could cross above that red 50 SMA, that's going to look great. Darden Restaurants, you guys know that's your Red Lobster, Olive Garden, all those chain restaurants there. Let's see, downgrades. Apple was downgraded. AAPL. Apple's downgraded. It's up almost 1% today. Now, even though this was downgraded, this is starting to look good here. You know, but it's failing at that 10. I'd be looking for a candle above that 10 to be entering into that. Let's see here. Fox News, Fox A was downgraded. FOXA. Now, see, now this is one that looks like this might head lower here. Fox A, we have base support right around $20. $22.50 is going to be that next area of support on Fox. Oh, yeah, sorry about that. Let's see. Let me see what I close those out at. Let's see. Microsoft, we closed at what? 3.20. PayPal. Let's see, where the heck did PayPal go? Don't know how to bring up yesterday's there. Facebook getting a climb again, 185.60. Go. Alrighty, there you go there. Who asked about that? PayPal is taking off. We closed our PayPal trade. I'm trying to look, see where we closed it. Wow, look at PayPal, 118.26, continuing to climb up 2.62%. What did we say yesterday? 120 was the target. I sold PayPal very early. Thought I got into another PayPal trade. I guess I didn't. Facebook's having another run here, guys. There goes Facebook taking off. Let's see, WMT, Walmart. Walmart at the lower end of that consolidation, still holding above that 10, so I'm going to hold on to that for now. Guys, is anyone still in the PayPal trade that we made yesterday? Actually, most of you should be in that because we did the PayPal trade yesterday on live video, and we closed that out on the afternoon session there. So a lot of you guys should still be in it. Gilead 8208, pulling back there a little bit on Gilead. No problem, Chris. Thank you. Facebook 185.76. I'm watching Facebook here breaking above that 1020. There goes Facebook again, guys. They retraced back down to that 20. It's taken off now. Let's bring up Facebook chart. I'm watching that here. Let's take a look. There she goes. 186.22 and continuing to run there. There goes Facebook. 186.23. 186.25. big breakout there. It held that 20, held the 10 there, and now she's starting to climb. Let's look for 187 as the next target resistance, a climb above 187, and we're going to be going to 190 today. $190 is going to be our target resistance. Would love to hop into PayPal again. That looks like she's going to climb up to about 120. Let's see what Microsoft's doing. I might get into another trade on Microsoft when she starts to take off again. We locked in Microsoft trades at beautiful timing this morning. Let's see that Facebook continue to run there. Oh, let me share with you what we're up so far for the day here. What are we? Half hour? Not even a half hour into the day here. Let me pull this up for you guys. Alright, first things first, I'm going to show you guys the profits for today. Okay, so as you guys can see right here, let me get a picture. Okay, so here is the profits for today. This is April 23rd to April 23rd. These are realized profits. Today's realized profit, $1,219.83. And that's less than a half hour of work here. All right, here's our opening transaction, closing transaction. Here's the trades we closed out on. The Facebook trade, let's see. We sold at 10.05 in 10.05. Divide that by 8.95. And that's a, let's see. I hit a button by accident. 10.05. Divide that by 8.95. That was a quick 12.3% gain. Gold trade. 0.55, divide that by 0.32. That was a 72% gain. And the Microsoft trade, 3.2, divide that by 2.6. That was a 23% gain. So as you can see, 23% gain Microsoft, 72% gain on gold, and 12% gain on Facebook. And as you can see, here's the trades. We just made them yesterday. You know, that's not bad. Holding it overnight, locking in profits the next day. Now, this is April 23rd. So let me show you guys, because it's important. Trade management, risk management. Now there's that. Now here's what we did for the week so far. You know, it was a pretty slow week, but you should still be ahead pretty nicely this week. Here are the trades that we opened and closed this week here. So as you can see, this is from the 20th, which was Monday, April 20th to April 23rd. These are realized profits. Total realized profits this week so far of almost $1,500. Okay, and that's with our hedges that lost some money and things we were doing. Here's one of our hedges we were down $1,460 on. You know, that was a hedge. That was a SPY put. We lost money on that, but it was a hedge against all of our calls. So that day we ended up closing a bunch of our calls in for some nice profits and looked great. So, looking good. So that's the profits for the week there on the account. And it's only Thursday. That PayPal trade we sold at 5.20. Wow, that would have been a killer today. That would have been up another $1,500. Come on, Facebook. Let's get that next run here. Let's get that next climb. Microsoft's starting to climb a little bit there. Facebook looks like that's really going to head back up to that 200. I was thinking about doing a trade on Facebook again for that May Expo and looking for 200 to 210 as target. You know, Facebook's going to be coming out with earnings. I think they're going to do pretty well. I mean, obviously they're going to hurt with the coronavirus, but looking forward expectations should be pretty good as the economy starts to open again. Zoom shares are trading higher. The company yesterday announced an update to its platform with security improvements. Zoom has attracted investors' interest amid increased usage by businesses, universities, and individuals during the coronavirus pandemic. There goes Microsoft starting to climb again. Let's take a look at Zoom quick. ZM. Wow, Zoom's having a huge breakout there. Nice climb on Zoom. It's a nice platform they have. Look at that climb on Microsoft there. Nice climb on Microsoft. I'm waiting for Facebook to start that breakout here as well. Zoom is just on fire. Look at Zoom taking off. Anyone getting in Zoom? Diego, we're out of PayPal. I'll be looking to re-enter PayPal on that next run. USA new home sales for March 627,000 versus 645,000. Prior was 765. Wow, that's big news. Zoom's still on the climb there. Come on, Facebook. I want to see Facebook start to move here. Look at Zoom continuing that breakout there. What a run up. Almost 8% for the day on Zoom. I'm watching Facebook and Microsoft are coming out of the 50 SMA on a today 1 minute chart. Keeping an eye on those. Let's see. Alana says she could have held gold. Let's see what gold's still doing here. Wow, 28.14 up 6.27%. That would have been up about 400% if you held gold. Wow, that gold would have been up well over 400%, maybe 500%. Facebook puts coming in. Here comes call sweeps coming in on Boeing. Call sweeps on Bristol Myers. Morgan Stanley maintains underweight on Kohl's, lowers price target to $18. And we got some call sweeps coming in on Delta Airlines. And there goes gold continuing to run higher there. Wow, 28.25 continuing to run. Gold's going to hit $30 a share. There's no question in my mind about that. She's having a big break out there, and it looks like wow, look at gold go, guys. Anyone still in gold? What are you up, Skyjack, on gold? Skyjack's in the trade room. He said he's still holding that gold trade. Is anyone still holding gold? There goes gold continuing to run 28.34. Zoom still holding above that 10. USO is looking good today, still on the climb. Look at that gold. Man, oh man, we sold gold this morning. Look at this. Order status. Here was the gold trade that we sold. We bought it for 32 cents. We sold it for 55. That gold trade's now worth probably about $1.50. Unbelievable. 1.5, divide that by 0.32. That'd be a 370% return. There we go. Letitia said she's up 331% on gold. Nice job, Letitia Gonzalez. Letitia, you just joined us as well, didn't you? Nice job there, Letitia. Great job there, guys. Facebook still holding that red 50. Here it goes, trying to break above that 10 SMA on a today 1 minute chart. Zoom still breaking out, nearing 162. Gold still on the climb, 28.32. Looking for our next trade here, guys. Let's see what Gilead's doing here. GILD. Let's see. Gilead 82.84, so that spread's going to have max net gains. Let's see, what do we pay for that spread there on Gilead? Wow, look at gold continuing to run, 28.45 a share, 28.47. Walmart's still in the NTZ there. I'm not going to look at anything else until we consolidate our trades, guys. That's important for you guys to understand that. You know, we can't be looking everywhere and then have 20 trades open and not manage current trades. Manage current trades, lock them in, and then we move on to the next. That's how we work here at Breaking Chart Alerts. Zoom still running higher, 162.40. Gold new highs. I'm watching Facebook's. Facebook's lagging a little bit, but I still think Facebook's going to have a nice breakout today. Groupon's up 10 cents today, up 10%. Groupon's going to be a nice hold. John S. says Apple, you know, Apple's having a nice breakout there. 3-month daily looking good. Still no signal yet on Apple. If we get a green candle tomorrow, I'll be looking at 290 strike calls. But like I said, Apple's going to have some hard times coming over the next few months. Gilead's breaking out, 82.92, continuing that climb. There goes Facebook. Facebook 185.38, continuing to run. Let's bring Facebook up over here. It's holding that 50 SMA really well. There goes Facebook. Let's see Facebook continue that breakout there. That Gilead spread's going to have some nice profits on that. I want that to execute already. I could probably change it here. Oh, let me get rid of that. Open up the order status. Order status. Here we go. Gilead. Let's see here. Let me see if I can change that down to maybe 85 cents. See if it'll fill. If it won't fill at 85 cents, I'm not going to get rid of it. Let's see. 85 cents pending live. Not doing anything. Guys, there goes Facebook. 185.74. Continuing to break out above that 10, 20, 50 SMA right now. Look for that next resistance right at around 186.50. Nice climb there, guys. Nice climb. I'm going to close out our diamond put now. 160. Sell it a close. Boom. Sold that diamond put. That was our hedge that we got. Let's see, what is... Look at Jill, it's still breaking out, 83.03. I want to know what we got in that. I think we got in that Jill at 45 cents, right? Here we go, price paid. Let's see, 1.75 minus 1.27. So we paid 48 cents for that to be worth $1. Divide that by 0.48. Our max net return on our Gilead spread is 108.33%. If we let that expire and the stock's above $82 a share, it's currently at $83, so still $1 above our target. That's for tomorrow. I thought, I was thinking that this morning when I came in, I thought today was Friday. Facebook pulling back there a little bit below that 50 SMA. See if it could hold that 184.50. Let's see. Let's go back to the order status here. We'll see if we could do 80 cents. That's going to be the lowest I'm going to let it go down to. 80 cents. That's still a big return there on the Gilead spread. That's live. 80 cents. So let's see. 80.8. Divide that by 0.47. That'd still be over a 70% return, which isn't bad. Facebook pulling back a little bit, still up over 1.15%, so not worried about that. Let's take a look at the Diamond ETF and the Qs, see what they're doing. Dow's holding up pretty well there. Let's take a look at the Qs. Qs 3-month daily holding up well. Nice climb there. I like what we're seeing. Like what we're seeing there. Let me make a new thing here. That one was way too big. There we go. Qs are looking good there as well. Gilead's still at 83 bucks. Facebook's continuing to pull back there a little bit. Keeping an eye on Facebook. Let's see here. Facebook 184.28. Google 1276.97, up 18 bucks, 1.5%. Gold still continuing to run there. Big run on gold. I think we could even pick up some gold calls for tomorrow's expo, to be honest with you. Look at that run on gold. Okay, you guys keep Jesse, it's you that always ask about Walmart. I can't make this any more clear. Take a look at the consolidation box here. Okay, so we're still in consolidation box and it's still holding above that yellow 10 SMA. The Walmart trade is for May 15th Expo. So almost a month until Expo. It's still holding above that 10. See what it did here? It had a breakout. It retraced. Here's a consolidation box. Retraced it onto that 10. Had a breakout. Right now, it's if it drops below that 10 SMA with the body below that 10, I'm out of that trade. But right now, it's holding above that 10. Still in consolidation box. It's still a bullish chart there. Let's see here. USO is getting a nice climb now. Take a look at USO. USO's up almost 8%. There she goes. 270 a share, up 7.57%. I like the looks of that. That's having a nice run off the lows as oil is stabilizing. That's going to be one that I should just pick up some shares long time for. Let's see what else is going on here. Let's see. Gilead's above 83 now. Facebook's continuing 184.04, up 0.96% for the day. Let's see, Diamond ETF on a today 1 minute, still holding above the 20 Qs. Today 1 minute, holding and bouncing off that 50 SMA, looking for that climb there. Still waiting on that official AAMCC. Yeah, down 49% on the Facebook trade that we got for this week's expo. There goes Gilead again off that 1083.12. Waiting for Facebook. Let's see if it holds that 84 and starts to climb here. Not worried about Facebook just yet. Should have got next week's expo on Facebook, to be honest with you, but let's see that start to climb here and market start to climb for the day. Gilead's still on the climb there. Looking good. There goes Diamond taking off here. Let's see Facebook break above that 10 down and start its run. Look at Diamond ETF on the run here. Looking good. USO's up 20% today. GE's climbing here as well. Big breakout on GE, up 2% now, up 13 cents for the day, 656. Gilead's continuing to climb here as well. GILD. She's up 83.11, bouncing off that 20 SMA on a today 1 minute chart. There goes Diamond ETF again, bouncing off that 10. There she goes, continuing to make new highs. We should see Facebook having a nice breakout here in the coming minutes. Let's take a look at the Qs, see what the techs are doing. Let's see, 3-month daily. I think we're going to see a nice climb up to around 217 on the Qs. I might pick up some Qs for next week's expo. I'll look at that in the afternoon session. USO is continuing a nice breakout. We're up 23% on the USO trade today. Look at Jill continuing to break out, 83.22 and climbing there above that 1020 SMA now on the today 1 minute chart. Still watching Facebook here. Facebook's lagging a little bit, but it's still up 1.37% for the day, up $2.50. So definitely not complaining about Facebook here. Facebook, let's see if it holds that 20 here on the 1 minute. There goes Facebook. Big candle here on Facebook, breaking above that 10 SMA on a today 1 minute. Let's see it break above that red 50, and we should see a nice breakout on Facebook today. Let's see, what's Amazon doing? Amazon's up over 2%. I think we're going to see another 1% climb on Facebook today. We should. CVX is having a big run. Let's take a look at Exxonmobil. Exxonmobil was one of the trades we were in. Big climb on Exxonmobil there. Look at that climb on Exxonmobil, 44.08, up almost 5% today on Exxonmobil. What did I tell you guys the other day when it was back down here, retracing down to that 20? You guys remember this. So stick with the trade plan. You know, that's why we get the longer term expos. So if we entered into a trade here and we got something for May, it's okay if it retraces back down to that 20, because with our trade plan, we're bouncing off that 20 SMA and continuing to the next resistance. And we closed out Exxonmobil for a nice gain the other day. So it's important you guys know the trade plan and know how to follow it. There goes Facebook. First candle above that 50 SMA. Let's see if it holds and continues that run. Gilead, 83.30. Nice climb there on Gilead. USO trades up 23% today. Let's see here. Come on, Facebook. Let's continue that run there. It's slow today. Not as quick as I'd like to see. An hour into the day, though. Seems like I've been here much longer than an hour. There goes Facebook. There's a nice candle there above that 50. Looks like it's going to be a larger candle. 185.30. Continuing to run. 185.36. Look at that big candle on Facebook there. Big breakout here on Facebook. Gilead 83.43. Continuing to climb. There goes the markets. Markets are having another big breakout. Diamonds breaking out. Qs are breaking out. Tech's taking off here, guys. Another nice climb on Facebook coming up. Look at the Qs, 214 now, up 1.5% on the Qs. Let's take a look at it today. 1 minute. Look at that big breakout on Qs, guys. Nice climb here. Facebook still on the run, up 185.44. Gilead 83.46 continuing to run. Q's coming back down to that 10. Let's see if we get that next climb. We just had that 1020 cross on Facebook. Now here comes the 1050 cross on Facebook on it today, 1 minute. So let's watch, see what that does. We're going to be looking for a break above, let's say, 185. Let's see, what is this over here? I can't see. It's too much. 185.55. We're looking for a breakout above 185.55 on Facebook for that next run. See if it holds that 1020 retracement. GE still having a nice run. Look at Gilead go, 83.66. New highs of the day on Gilead, up almost 3%. Big breakout. Now, you guys remember yesterday we saw all those unusual options activity and those call sweeps coming in. So that's why we picked up that Gilead spread. That's going to have max net gains tomorrow. Take a look at Oxy, Occidental Petroleum option alert. September 18th, 15 strike calls coming in, 650 contracts at $3.50. 350 times 650, that's a $227,000 trade right there, just made on Occidental Petroleum. L Brands, put sweeps coming in. That deal broke apart. Morgan Stanley maintains overweight on O'Reilly Automotive, raises price target to $395. Qs are bouncing off that 10 now. Let's see if it holds and continues that run. Gilead 83.75. 83.78 on Gilead. There she goes for $84. Big gains on our Gilead trade. Guys, USO is now up 30% today. Take a look at USO. Look at that climb on USO, 282 and continuing to run. 285 was the highs, up 12% for the day there. Nice climb. I'm expecting a continued breakout here on USO as we go along. Perfect. That's looking fantastic on USO. There goes Facebook again. 185.45, bouncing off that 10. Let's see that next confirmation candle for that continued run. USO up 30% now for the day. Looking good on USO. Look at this breakout on Gilead, guys. Take a look at Gilead. 3-month daily, we saw that option activity coming in yesterday. I think we're going to get up to around $85, maybe even $86 by tomorrow. I really think Gilead's going to have a huge breakout coming. We're already up about $1,000 on our Gilead trade. Facebook is still struggling with that resistance at 185.55. Here we go. Let's see if it could break it. Just getting up to it now. Let's see a big candle breakout if it breaks that resistance right at 185.55. Should have a nice candle there. Guys, look at USO up 40% now for the day on USO. I'm up $700 today on USO. Big climb on USO. Let's see what it's at now. $286 and continuing to run. Nice climb there. Would be nice to see a big candle back up to about 340 tomorrow on USO, wouldn't it? That'd be a nice run. Definitely possible. I like that USO move there, guys. Let's see, Twitter. We were talking about Twitter yesterday as well. One of the members said, hey, Dave, buy some Twitter. Was looking good. Still waiting for that break above the 50 there, and I might enter. Gilead, 83.83. GE's having a nice run today. Would love to see a nice breakout on Gilead. General Electric, GE. Nice climb there. Facebook back below that 50. Let's see if it holds that support again. It's still up 1.5% for the day, so not bad. Moody's downgrades U.S. gaming outlook. LVS. Schlumberger. AMD call sweeps coming in 58 strike. Walt Disney call sweeps coming in 105 strike for the May 1st Expo. Paula, you making any trades on any AMD today? Maintains SunTrust Robinson Humphrey maintains buy on Biogen, lowest price target at $330. I was thinking about another gold trade, Michael Phillips. There goes Facebook on the climb again, climbing off that 50 SMA. Let's see it break that 20 and 10 SMA and break above 185.28 for that next run there. Let's see, what else do we got going on? Gilead. So we're still in our Walmart USO. Snap. Kroger's not doing much. Gilead spread 81.82 vertical call spread for tomorrow's expo. We're in the General Electric 10 call for January 2022, 2 years till expo. And we're in the Facebook April 24th 187.50 call, which is down about 40% right now. We break above 186.25, that's going to be back in the green. Looking good today, guys. We locked in over $1,000 in realized profits today. Looking good. Exxonmobil's having a beautiful run. I was just going over Exxonmobil. If you guys remember, this is with our trade plan. Remember, we were in an Exxonmobil trade we got earlier, probably back around here, right? And I think we got in here maybe. And then we had a retracement. We were down. We had a big climb. We were up. We had a couple of days we were dropping. People were worried. I said, guys, it's still holding above that blue 20 SMA, just like our trade plan. You noticed on BDM here when ExxonMobil was breaking down, it was getting up to that yellow 10 SMA, falling, heading lower, up to that 10, consolidated, and then it had a big drop, headed lower. And when it climbed up to resistance at that 10 SMA. It failed up to that 10, failed, consolidated, and it finally got a candle with the body above that 10 SMA. Here's the no trade zone between that 10-20 SMA right here. That's when we were watching for a signal. If you got in on that first candle above that 10-20 SMA there, that was a nice entry at 39 bucks. It's currently at 44, continuing to run 44.28. Big run on ExxonMobil there. Take a look at it today, 1 minute chart. Big climb here on ExxonMobil, continuing to hold above that 20 SMA. Big breakout. This is today 1 minute chart for day trading it. As you can see, nice climb on the open, consolidated, breakout, consolidated, back down to that 20, big breakout, consolidated down to the 10, big breakout, consolidated to 10, big breakout, consolidated down to 20, consolidated, broke out, now it's back at that 10, consolidating. With our trade plan, guys, it's really easy and really simple to see what we're looking for and what we're doing. So we have some resistance right around 45. If we get a candle with a body above 45, ExxonMobil, I'd be looking for 60 bucks by next year, and that's something I'd probably get a leap on and probably throw a little bit larger of a trade, maybe a $20,000 trade on that, looking for that 60 target within a year or two from now. I'd probably go 2 years out. But that looks great there. I like that setup on ExxonMobil. Watch for it to break above that 50. It breaks above that 50. Our USO trade is going to look really bullish there. And we should have another big climb on USO. So ExxonMobil's up 5.27% today. Take a look at USO. That one's up 12% today compared to that ExxonMobil move. So I'm looking for those larger climbs on USO here as oil starts to climb. CVX is another one. Chevron. Take a look at Chevron. First candle above that 10, 20, 50 SMA today, and you're going to have $90 as a short-term target. Another $2.50 climb on Chevron here to that next resistance level. After that, you're looking back at about 100 to 110 as the next resistance and target profit area on Chevron if you wanted to enter a trade on that. There goes Facebook holding that red 50 SMA. Let's see it climb above that 20 and start that run again. I'm looking for that climb above 185.50 for that continued breakout momentum, and then 186.25 for that target resistance number 1. No problem, Chris. That's why I make my charts the way I do for you guys to follow along. It's really simple to follow along. When you're in BDM, when you're in red, you're buying puts. You're waiting till you fail at that 10 and you're buying puts. You could get one for a week or two out, and you could take advantage of that big downtrend right here you see on ExxonMobil. If you got something with 2 months out, you're completing that whole downtrend. And that's what I mean about short-term moves. So see here for a week, if you got into a trade right here, you know, you're in that a week before it starts to move. So for that whole week, you have time decay, and that option premium's continuing to decrease on those puts. So you're taking a loss here as that consolidation's happening, and it's not having that breakdown. So then once you started breaking below that 10 here, the profits on those puts are really raking up higher now, and you got about a 200% gain from that 60 to 55 drop, and then you're probably up over 400% on that drop down to 50 bucks from 60 in that short couple of days, probably well over 500%. So that's what I mean about taking advantage of short-term moves. And look at GE continuing to run there, up 4% for the day on the GE trade, down 12% overall, and that's for the January 2022 Expo. USO is continuing to climb, up 33% for the day. And look at Exxonmobil Go continuing to run 44.45 and getting up to that red 50 SMA on a on a daily chart, 3-month daily chart here. 44.43 continuing to run. There goes Facebook. Look at that candle. Watch for Facebook to get up to that 185.50, as that's going to be the next resistance area right here. And if we could break above that 185.50 on Facebook, we should have a nice run up to around 186.25. So watch for that now. Resistance on Facebook at around 185.50. We're going to be looking to break that. If we can break above that 185.50, I might average down on those Facebook trades, or I might get into something like the May monthly expo on Facebook, as I still think that's going to continue to break out and get to that $190 to $200 share prior to earnings. Nice breakout there, though. Guys, if you like these videos, please give this a thumbs up. Robert Clark says he's still in his Exxonmobil trade that we made. Robert Clark, how much are you up on that Exxonmobil trade we originally made on BreakingChartAlerts.com? On the YouTube chat here, Robert Clark, he says, I'm still in it, holding. What is your target on ExxonMobil? Please tell me what strike, what expo you got on the ExxonMobil trade. Was that our original ExxonMobil trade? And how much percentage-wise are you up on that right now? I'd really like to hear that, Robert Clark. Thank you. Andrew Richardson, Dave, thoughts on railroads, CSX, NSC, CNI? Not a big fan of those, to be honest with you. I'm not a fan. Once the economy opens back up, ask me again about it. But for right now, I'm not going to play games with when they're opening the economy and what's going on. Let's see what else is going on here. Bank of America had a nice run today. BAC. That's one we were trading. Still holding that 20 SMA there. Here comes Facebook. Let's see, a 1020 cross wants to come up here, but we need a big green candle for that 1020 cross to happen. Let's see what happens. There she goes, 185.50. She's just getting up to 185.46 on Facebook. 185.50, continuing to break higher there on Facebook. It's getting up to that resistance level right now from the 1035 and the 1044 candle. Let's see a break above that and look for that next continued run to 186.25, as that's going to be our next resistance if we could break that 185.50 here. So take a look. You got that 1020 cross coming over. Facebook's getting up to that resistance here on a today 1 minute chart. Let's see a break above that and start that next run there. What is Julia doing? Look at Facebook go, 185.65. There's that big candle. I told you, whenever you break that resistance, you usually have a big candle after that. So keep that in mind. Big run there on Facebook. 185.60, continuing to run and break out there. And there goes Bank of America here as well. Let's take a look at the Qs. Qs looking good. 214. Continuing that run. Let's watch Facebook there. Continue that move higher. Down 35% on the Facebook trade. We were down 55% on that earlier. So looking good. That's what I mean about patience and discipline. Still very bullish on Facebook. Qs, let's change that to a today 1 minute chart. As you can see, it's retracing back down to that 50 like it did here at the 1015, 1016 candle. It's holding consolidation box you can put right here. So 213.80 consolidation box. Let's see that candle above that 1020 SMA right now and look for that continued breakout there. Facebook's still rising. I'd love to see a big green candle here on the Qs so we could see a nice rise here on Facebook coming up. USO is continuing to run here as well. USO 284. Still where it was before, but still options are increasing. There goes the Qs breaking above that 20 SMA. Facebook should start to break out here again as well. There goes Facebook breaking out now. Qs are taking off. Facebook's taking off. I think we're going to have a nice breakout here. There goes Facebook. 185.80 continuing to run there. 1020 cross just came up. MACD cross looking good. We have a bullish sign and bullish confirmation on the MACD and the 1020 cross on Facebook as she's continuing to break out there. 185.84 continuing to climb. Look at the Qs there. Big candle breaking out. Let's look at to 1450 for that next resistance on the Qs as Facebook continues to run there. I think we're going to see 186.50 pretty quick here on Facebook. Let's see over the next few minutes here on Facebook what she does. 2 minutes left until we are done on this live video, guys. If you guys want to get signed up, please come get signed up now. Go to breakingchartalerts.com. You guys could come here right now. You guys could go to breakingchartalerts.com. If you need help from our tech support, you click here, live support. Tech support will help you with anything you need. If you need me or a friend, if you want to sign up, you click here, Facebook icon, and that's going to take you to our Breaking Chart Alerts Facebook business page, and we can help you walk your hand through sign up and walk your hand through getting started trading options here with us. So make sure you guys get signed up. We go live again at 2 p.m., live 2 to 4 for our Pro Trader members only. So if you guys want to join us at 2 p.m., you're going to click on this button up here, live trading video and classes. This is the live trade room, chat room, 112 people in here right now. Gilead testing 184, says Alana Harmon. We have that vertical call spread on Gilead, the 81.82 vertical spread. That's going to make about 108% gain as long as Gilead's above 82, which is looking good by tomorrow. And I'm probably going to hold on to that and cancel that Gilead sell alert there that we had. What do we put that in for? 80 cents, 85 cents? I'm going to cancel that out because another 25 contracts, that's an extra $300. I don't want to miss out on an extra $300 just because I'm a little bit impatient here. So like I said, looking good with our trades. Great job today. Locked in some massive profits. If you guys go to Breaking Chart Alerts, you guys will get our newsletter here. You guys will get everything going on posted right here. Any type of news, take a look, check it out, and looks good there. So if you guys need Trade Challenge right here, Trade Challenge page, we're in the USO. That's our first trade for the Trade Challenge. And live training classes videos, here's the Trade Alerts right here. If you guys click on Trade Alerts, you go here, you can click on it, you'll get detailed explanations, targets, stops on our trades, and you guys will see everything we've been doing. And everything's right here. Gold trade, the dime, every trade we make is going to come through right here. That's an official trade that goes through my account, unless it's a day trade. So there you go, guys. That's there. And then, like I said, live trading video and classes in the afternoon. You're going to go there and... Oh. I think my internet, something just happened to my internet here. There we go. She just came up. So here is the live video class for the afternoon. It's set for today at 2 p.m. If you guys want to come join us, it's all archived here, the afternoon sessions as well. So you guys could go see what we did yesterday afternoon once you get signed up as a pro trader. So to join now, you click the Join Now button. And then if you guys want to use a promo code for a yearly membership, for the Professional Trader yearly membership, it's $2,000, but with this promo code, it's only $1,500. This promo code ends tomorrow, so make sure you jump in on it. It's promo code STIMULUS. Promo code STIMULUS, and that's good for the Professional Trader 12-month course. You click sign up there, and that'll get you signed up, and you guys will be ready to go. Once you guys get signed up, you guys could download our trading app. Now, the Pro Trader, that gives you text alerts. That gives you email alerts. That gives you access to our app. As you can see, it's free. You guys could go sign up for it. It's totally free once you become a member. You cannot sign up on the app. You have to sign up on the website, and then you can access the app. So if you guys want to sign up, go there, sign up, join us, and come join us, guys. I'm looking forward to the afternoon session here, and looking forward to a great day. So take care, guys. God bless. Have a great day. Come join us, breakingchartalerts.com, and we will be looking forward to having you with us, guys. Alrighty, take care. God bless, and have a great day, guys. Looking forward to seeing you guys in the trade room and the afternoon session. Hey, SPB Dave, too much cheerleading and excitement on every single tick. If you don't like it, you're free to leave, buddy. Alrighty, guys, take care and have a great day. I'll see you in the trade room. Bye-bye.